space. Population. Our spaceports are the busiest in the galaxy, with hundreds of thousands of ships arriving and departing daily. Highly efficient, these spaceports will also connect to a system of underwater hydro bays linking to other transportation networks. Our spaceports are constantly evolving to handle the growing
and are proud to share our Zandarian story with you here at Epcot.
To save the rest of the Guardians that day in the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
Yeah, forgive him. He's got what you call a limited vocabulary. What he's trying to say is he did sacrifice himself to save us all and Tandem. Fortunately, he's plant-based. They grew back, and they grow so fast, especially when you water them.
It would appear so. So back to my original question. Whose idea was it to save Xandar?
It was Quill's. We had this half-baked plan, and we saved his butt. End of story.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Before, but since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Sure, Mark. Go to code
stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune. Yeah, where did they took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need you to alert Nova Prime.
Terrans from beyond.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. And he's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where? It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I've been broken the shuttles to follow through the jump point. What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's he. Where's he?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this. We're all toast.
First it was he, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet when we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Enough. This plan of the Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse?
Yeah, other people have watched it.
I don't want you to regret it. Hold on to that. We're just going
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I walked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
all the way.
Was that the King James?
The Big Bang!
been paying attention? Nova Team, link your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long.
Yeah, well, nobody.
It's Epcot. Epcot. Who names these things?
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then, welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?
Ooh, got a good song.